All right, y'all. I haven't been out here in a few days because it's been raining. So, the last time I was out here, I had picked all of my greens already, and this is what I got going on now. I got some new growth in here that I didn't have previously. I got some new leaves, my cabbage. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these in a minute and eat on those. See a little spider web right here. I seen this the last time I was out here, but I didn't do anything about it. So I'll just get rid of it now. I just seen something go down in there. But yes, you guys, this is what it's looking like out here. Yeah. I thought this was supposed to be some kind of peppers here, but I don't know what that is. Honestly, I don't. I got so much going on. So much. So much. Everything's growing wild. We got to get out here, and this is dill mixed in with weeds, some garlic and some onions. My cabbage is not growing ahead, but like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these leaves so that I can still use them. These are what's supposed to be some broccoli. I don't think I'm getting any broccoli, but I will enjoy those leaves as well. I'm gonna saute these up like some collard greens. Let me check on my tomatoes that's growing in here because I have a few of them growing in here. There's one. Look, there's a lot of them right here. More than it was the last time I came out here. I didn't have all these tomatoes, but I do now. Oh, and look, that one's a good size one over there. You can't see it. I'm gonna walk around. Then I'm gonna check on my peppers. That's also in between here. Oh, I got some little ones. That's a good size mater there. And over there, you can't really see it that well. But let me see. There we go. That's my bell pepper down here. Down here, I got a bell pepper. That's my first one. And, well, I had some banana peppers. 2 of them that were a good size. I can't find them now. Interesting. Maybe something got them. But I'm gonna double check around here. Oh, so much is going on. Oh, there they are. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and pick those. Yeah, they look good. I should pick those. What you think? I'm not sure what this is. I thought this was a pepper, some kind of pepper plant, but I'm gonna go on Chat GPT. Now, one thing I'm noticing about my leaves, um, since we had so much rain, and I don't know if that has anything to do with these leaves, but they're soft. They're not um, as they're not like they were um, the other day. So watermelon's still coming along. Telling you, this watermelon vine is disobedient. It literally is running amok. You know, it's getting all tangled up and stuff. Oh, look at that. Look at what I did. But I had to clear that out, so I just lost a leaf there. Well, that's that. But oh my gosh. So outside of all this, now, oh, no, 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 no. I'm chasing away a white butterfly. It's trying to get in here, but I'm not about to let that happen. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up real quick. Letting out. Alright, this is just temporary. This is temporary while I go and look and see how tall the corn has gotten. Whew. My husband really needs to come back here and take care of this.